Hello students, here is the question. Let the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0 bisect the line joining the points 4 minus 3 1 and 2 3 minus 5 at right angles. So if a, b, c, d are integers, then the minimum value of a square plus b square plus c square plus d square is. So we need the minimum value of the sum of the squares. We have this plane which bisects the line, meaning these 2 points will have their midpoint on this plane. Also, it bisects the line at right angles, meaning if say this is the plane, so if this is the line passing through over there, this is 4 3 minus 1, this is 2 3 minus 5, so this point will be the midpoint on the plane, correct? And this is 90 degree to both these points, meaning the points will form a normal on the plane. So the normal will have a direction ratios of -2, 6 and -6, as you can see over here, because if we subtract these two points, we get the direction ratios for the normal of the plane, and direction ratios for the normal of this plane will be, we will be able to make a proportionality that a by -2 will be b by my 6, will be c by -6, will be 1. So we will make this as the relation, because we know that direction ratio that we got from the 2 points and the direction ratios of the plane are the same. So we use that and we get the direction ratios or the values for a, b and c as -2, 6 and -6. And also we have that equation of the plane is -2x plus 6y minus 6z plus d is equals to 0. Also it is said that it bisects the line joining these 2 points. So what we do is we find out the midpoint of the points given, we put in the values of the x, y and z in the equation and get the value of d to be -6. And also if you look carefully, we need the minimum value of a square plus b square plus d c square plus d square, and the only way to find out the minimum value of the sum of the squares is if the square terms are minimum themselves. So this is the term or the equation that we get. If we divide it by 2, we get the simplified the equation of that. And if we find out this will have to be the minimum value. So a square is 1 because a will have the a has the minimum value, so we can assume that this will be minimum. So a is 1, b is 3, b is -3, c is 3 and d is 3. So their square total will become 28. Thank you.